Welcome back, students. Today we would be studying about least common multiple. Now let us say we are given a question to find the least common multiple of 4 and 8. Now you got to consider the number 4 and 8 as two members who are competing against each other. So you got to visualize them to be as a human person, right, playing a game. They're playing a game of, say, badminton. Now this person gets a score of 2 and 2, and this person is getting a score of 2, 2 and 2. Now according to you, who's the winner? Naturally this person is a winner. So what do you got to do? You have to choose his score to be the final answer. So that means the least common multiple of 4 and 8 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So that really, gives you a greater understanding of the term LCM. That's one of the best ways to understand. Say for example, if you are asked to solve or simplify, simplify two fractional quantities, say 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. The first and foremost thing that you got to do is to pick up the LCM for these quantities. Clearly from the workouts that we just saw here, so the LCM for 4 and 8 is going to be 8. Now 4 divides 8 twice, so that's going to be 2 there. And 8 divides 8 once, that's going to be 1 there. So the simplified form of 1 over 4 positive 1 over 8 is going to be 3 divided by 8. So that is just one of the ways in which LCM are used to simplify fractions. But the main core of the understanding lies over here, how exactly LCMs are located. Maybe we can go and do another problem. Suppose you have a question, find the LCM of 16, 24. So step 1, what you need to do, always ensure that you are representing a number using the prime factors. So 16 can be represented as 8 times 2, 8 is represented as 4 times 2 times 2, and 4 is represented as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, followed by 24. 24 I'm going to represent it as, say, 12 times 2. Of course there are other ways to represent it also. 12 is represented as 4 times 3, followed by a 2 there. 4 is represented as 2 times 2 times 3 times 2. Now these are the scores, these are the scores of player 1, which we call him as 16, player 2, which we call him as 24. So now see the scores. 2, how many 2's are featured for the number 16? You got 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many 2's are featured for the number 24? We got 1, 2 and 3. So naturally the player 16 wins. So write down his 2's, write down his scores. So when I say write down his 2's, we are actually representing his scores. So this is the quantity 2, 2, 2, 2. And are there any other quantity, any other scores that you see? Of course you are seeing a score 3 here. Is there any 3? No. So this man is a winner now. 24 is a winner. So place that number 3 there. So you multiply these quantities. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 3. So let us find out what is 16 times 3. 60 is 18, 1, 48. So you get the quantity as 48. So LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. Now let us see a small demonstration of this. Imagine you are asked to simplify 1 divided by 16 with 1 divided by 24. Now you know the LCM is 48, so place 48. 16 divides 48 how many times? 3 times. So 3 times 1 is going to be 3. 24 divides 48 how many times? 2 times. So it's going to be 2. So the final simplified value that you would get is 5 divided by 48. Isn't it not beautiful? Amazing.